My name is Devaraj. I am partner of Sree Balamurugan Industries in LMW. We purchased the machine in year 2020, model JV80. Till today we are using these machines on 2-shift basis without any issues, and quality we are getting out of that machine is excellent, and we are catering to textile, agriculture pumps and motors and machine tool division components. The quality we are getting out of LMW VMC is excellent, and the same time repeatability also as per the test chart they have given we are getting, and the service and customer support also very much satisfactory. Almost we are getting the response and material within 24 hours from customer service. We thank the customer service team for their excellent support so far they are extending. We are recommending other customers also. When compared to their competitors, it gives excellent surface finish, rigidity, and more towards the performance regarding cycle time reduction and heavy material cutting. Recently we purchased one machine for our Codicia Industrial Association where we do titanium machining. The results are excellent, and ISO test piece cutting also they have proven as per the quality chart. So with this we conclude that this is a good machine to go for any type of precision components. Thank you.